Well, today is gonna be the best day to go around the island of Praslin with a MOKE, an open cabrio, because it's raining. So bear with me on this one here. As you could see, it was a lot of rain in the night, and I forgot to put the rooftop on the car yesterday. So it's a little bit sweaty, I would say. So I'm gonna clean it a little bit. I'm gonna try to see if it starts. Let's see if it starts. Well, let's have some breakfast now. I did make a stop for lunch at Whole Foods, and I'm gonna have a chicken quesadilla or something like this. It's still raining, as you could see outside. I was going to make a hike, but I don't know if I'm gonna go hiking. Well, we'll see. We'll see what the day brings. It's still raining, but I'm gonna go out anyway. I mean, it's a tropical island with rainforest, but it's called rainforest. Try. I could give it a try. You own a car like this, and you are aware, but in normal days, it's gonna take you about 1.5 hours to go around the island. But not today. Today is a little bit special. It's not a lot of traffic, but still, the streets are narrow because were built in the colonial time, and the government doesn't want to make the streets bigger. I mean, if you see how they drive there, you will certainly understand that it's the right choice. I don't know if you are aware all the time, but you live in paradise. Even if it's raining sometimes.
Thank you.
Really.
But me, I would say it's fair. It's not paradise.
I know, when you're living here.
Yeah, because everything is quite costly.
It is.
Very difficult while waiting. Finalmente trovavi il posto. Okay, thank you very much.
Over there.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, it was
Have a
nice to meet
day.
you.
Have
Huh?
a nice holiday, yeah?
Bye.
Okay.
Bye. So I made a stop in the rain here on the beach. It looks nice. It looks nice even if with the rain. So I need to take a leak. That's it. It's quite nice even with the rain. Yeah, that's right. This is the island of Praslin. It's raining in paradise, and this is how it looks like when it rains in paradise. Still nice though. This is the trail from Anse-Latioc to Saint-Georgette. To Anse-Georgette. And it's not an easy one. And here it is, the trail to Mont Plaisir. Alright, so this is the trail to Anse-Georgette. Let's make a small recap about what's happened yesterday. Started with a coffee here at Chevrolet Bay House. Then I drove to supermarket. I drove to Luca, the best ice cream you're gonna get on Seychelles. He is located at Grand Anse, at the big bay here on the island. And then I've been to Vallée du Mer, which was pretty interesting, with its ancestral forest. I've been to the Lemuria 5-star hotel, and I took a swim in Anse-Georgette. And then I drove back. Break at Whole Foods, where I bought some stuff. Now, have I told you about the MOKE? I've rented this because I really enjoy it in Australia on Magnetic Island. And I've researched a little bit, and I know it is an island car. They make it in '63, I think, in England, based on the Mini model. But it's not an off-road car, but it's tough, robust, and it's easy to maintain. So it became the classical island car overall in the world. I saw it in Lipari Island, Eolia Island, Italy. I saw it on Magnetic Island, Australia, and I saw it on some island somewhere else in the world. And because it's an island car, it's so cool to drive it on the island like cabrio. It's like a how do I say, like a toy car, I would say. It's like a little bit of go-kart.